Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and it's August 1st, 2024, and I can hardly wait to get back to my workspace because I started a video called The Most Inspirational Printmaker. And I'm wondering, why am I calling Martin Schneider the most important or inspirational printmaker in my day today? Well, it's because he introduced the mini etching press. It was printed entirely by 3D. And today he launched his group's fourth Kickstarter with another 3D printed press, a little bigger than the others. But he had a little clip in his promotional video showing the parts being printed of his press. I just love that picture because, you know, he's a printmaker. He's using the most modern printmaking method there is, which is the 3D printer. So it is not making a flat print like an etching or a lithograph and then making reproductions of it to show or sell or whatever. He's making the instruments that other artists can use to make their flat prints and share with each other. And there's a lot more to that, a lot more to making the 3D modeling requirements for a three-dimensional press. It's incredible, and that's why I'm so inspired, because, you know, frankly, I want to do the same thing. Thanks for watching. I want to add that it's important to remember that Martin used open source. In other words, he put the files on his website. You could download the files for free, no cost. And if you had a 3D printer of your own, you could print those parts to make the press, which I couldn't do. I didn't have a 3D printer 5 years ago. And so one can download the files and send the files to a service. And that's what I did. The service printed this for me. I think it was about $75. He followed up with another Kickstarter campaign, and I bought this one ready-made. So I want to mention that because it's truly a characteristic of printmakers to be thinking about the society, about sharing in a community. Of course, we want to be paid, but on the other hand, there is a place for open source, and Martin Schneider certainly is a good example and inspiration in showing us how it can be done and what it can lead to.